What you will wait? What you will wait?
I read the tapping
The shop.
toy.
You wait the shopping truck. That the toys coming. Oh, who buy you toys?
Ate.
Ate order in?
Of course, nobody buy toy.
Of course, nobody buy toys. And you wait for the
Tapping truck.
shopping truck. Oh, that's why you sit down here. You sit down there because you wait for the shopping truck. Huh?
Hold.
You need to hold.
Need to hold.
Hmm.
The hand. Line. Okay, Ate.
Okay, anak. Okay. What are you waiting?
I'm waiting the tapping truck coming.
Oh, why? Why? Because?
Because Ate buy toy.
Oh, you wait. Today coming? The toys will come today? Huh?
I did not come today.
I think not come today. Oh. Why? Already ordered 3 days ago. Long time, na? We ordered na long time. Already 3 days. Maybe today coming? Huh? You wait. You will wait?